Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can set up automatic email attachments on Clearbooks. So if you want to attach like return forms or terms and conditions or any other guides to an email that you send out from Clearbooks, apart from sales invoice or quote, how we can do it. We need to go to contact section, and there is subsection called emails, and from emails drop down list there is email attachments. Here currently I have cleaning guide attached, but if I want to attach like return form or terms and conditions, click on add attachment, select your file. In my case I have return form, click on open and click upload. The most important thing to make this attached file to be attached by default, definitely select this tick box and click update. If you don't want going forward any of these files to be attached automatically by default to emails that are distributed from Clearbooks, either you can untick and update or you can delete and click update. So in this episode I showed you how you can set up automatic email attachments on Clearbooks. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Clearbooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.